mm, is a mix of the sound N and G. Begin by placing the tip of your tongue further back in your mouth, touching the velum. Vibrate your vocal cords and push the sound up your nose. Ong, ong, ong. It's about pushing your tongue, the whole thing, up and back. This forces the sound to be created in your throat, therefore, it's deeper. Uses both your nose, N, as well as your throat, G. So feel vibration in your nose as well as your throat. Some samples include finger, sink, finger, sink. Let's see it in a sentence. The king is asking for a song. Piece of cake. Let's go practice.